This is my Housbay sound machine. I'm going to get to the settings in a second. First, let me show you around. This is the model number, the input. It comes in many colors. I got this one in, as you could see, like a wood. So in the back, this is how it plugs in. It's one of these little guys here. That goes right into there. And then the rest of it gets attached to a USB into any box of your choice. Now that it's plugged in, we can see the settings. So you turn it on, and it will be playing your last setting. This is white noise. This is music. Volume adjusters. To change the setting, you click these. Different.